Hey, you guys, it's your girl, Shakidria Adele Thompson. I am back with another video. Yeah, I'm at Juicy Crab today. Yeah, I got the king crab legs, the 4 boiled eggs, the corn on the cob, the shrimp, no head, because I don't like to look at those eyes on my shrimp. Like, that's just nasty. But, yeah, I got the shrimp, no head, and I got the potato. Okay? Period. It was just a little bit spicy, but it's a good thing my eyes did not start watering up when I was eating, because if I would have wiped my eyes with the sauce being on my hand, boy, I would have burnt my eye. Like, yeah. But it was good. The only thing I didn't like about it is that, like, the sauce was, it was a little bit salty. Just a little bit. Yeah, I know. I don't like all that salt. Like, so, yeah. Drinking some water today. But, yeah, that's what I had at Juicy Crab today. Period. And y'all know Wednesday was my birthday, so wish me a happy birthday. Okay? Period. The big 24. Period. Yeah. But, yeah, as y'all can see right there, y'all can go back to it if y'all want to. But it was a piece of, like, shell or something, crab. Like the king crab leg shell. It was a piece of that stuck in my mouth. I'm like, I gotta get that out. No. We is not finna be swallowing those shells over here. Okay, period. But, yeah, I had fun. I really did. Like, now I'm full. I don't want nothing else tonight. I don't want nothing else to eat tonight. Like, tomorrow I'm cooking some pizza. It's a DiGiorno's pizza. And yeah. So y'all stay tuned for that video, okay? And then tomorrow morning I'm cooking some cinnamon rolls, okay? Period. Your girl loves cinnamon rolls, okay? Period. And I like the buttercream kind now. Ooh, that buttercream. Yes, I love it. So, yeah, I'm cooking some of that tomorrow morning. So, yeah, y'all gonna see like 2 videos from me tomorrow, plus the morning routine. So there's 3 videos y'all gonna see. And y'all, I'm not going to church tomorrow. I'm sorry, I can't, like, I do not feel like getting out of bed. I'm going to just listen to my Uncle John on Facebook. Because he does sermons, like, on Facebook. So, yes, sometimes I listen to him. And if I'm up, because, child, I be sleeping to about 10 o'clock in the morning, like, sometimes 12, sometimes 11. So, yeah. But I'm not going to keep y'all long. I just wanted to say this, okay? Period. A voiceover, yes. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye. Have a great night.